Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Dogecoin from your Phantom wallet to Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your Dogecoin safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version for 2025. This wallet is popular for Solana-based assets, but we'll bridge over to Dogecoin. Open your Phantom wallet and ensure your Dogecoin is visible in your portfolio. If it's not, you might need to import it or use a bridge service. Double-check your wallet settings. Next, select your Dogecoin balance in the wallet interface. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. It's usually right there on the main screen. Before you proceed, verify the network. Dogecoin runs on its own blockchain, so you'll need to use a compatible bridge or ensure Phantom is connected via a multi-chain option. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, but remember to leave some for network fees. Now, grab your Kucoin wallet address. Head over to your Kucoin account, go to the wallet section, and copy the Dogecoin deposit address. Paste this into the recipient address field in Phantom. Double-check that it's correct to avoid losing your funds. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Hit the Confirm button and review the transaction details, including fees. In 2025, fees might be lower due to network upgrades, but always confirm. Once you approve, your Dogecoin will be sent. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After the transaction, log back into Kucoin and check your wallet to confirm the deposit. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to stay secure. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.